So right now we are in Belgaum. You might not know Belgaum for many reasons, but if you wear a helmet, chances are that that helmet has come from this place, because this is the Vega headquarters here. They have made millions, if not billions, of helmets, and they have saved hundreds of thousands of lives in that process. So this is nothing short of a temple, place to be worshipped, because these guys are saving your lives. And in my hand is, of course, the XBHP 299 Speed of Thought helmet, which has been made right here, which is actually bringing this to the birthplace of this. And of course the machines are here and they are looking beautiful. We have done 7,000 kilometers and we are here at the Vega headquarters. A beautiful building. They make really good stuff here in India, which is exported around the world, a lot of Southeast, East Asian countries. We found that when we were doing the XBHP Domina Great Asian Odyssey, it was being sold in Vietnam and other countries. So that is a matter of pride for us. I feel really proud when we have such great made in India products like the Axor helmet, the Rhinox gears, Apache RR310, the Mahindra Thar, stuff like that. So let's see, probably we'll get a tour inside the factory. So they are also exporting these helmets around the world, and wherever I see, just for example like this, look at this is just the shell. Look at the quality. This is the Venomous from Axor, and this is pretty interesting how they have placed it. These are, this is a pretty huge facility here, and I'm sorry if this is little noisy, but so if you see this design, the way they have actually been designing the helmets is pretty amazing. I like the use of font, and these are matte helmets, the Export helmets. Export is, I think, made for TVS. This is made for TVS, right? So Export is made for TVS, and we also reviewed this. We did not know that this was an Axor helmet from Vega. So this is also pretty interesting. All these are TVS helmets, Export helmets. So this is Shiro branded helmets. Which country are these helmets? Portugal. So these helmets, they are going to Portugal. Shiro helmet. Can you imagine? I've already seen this going to Portugal, that going to UAE, and this going to TVS. This is really nice. And look at this, Burger King. This is interesting, very interesting. And I don't know where to go right now because this is so interesting. Let's watch what is happening over here. So here, what is this process called? I'm not sure.
This is after the helmets are getting lacquered, they're coming out for baking.
Oh, okay.
So basically you put the top coat, then you have to go and bake. Once it comes out, they all go for quality check here.
Okay.
Then they all release for the assembly lines here.
Okay.
And then you have different components coming on.
So this is baking?
Yeah, this is the big oven.
This is the oven. So that is the oven where the helmets are actually going inside, and you can see on the right how the helmets are going. So what is the process of baking?
Meaning, so after the top coat, you need to cure the product. So that is why you need to put it in the oven to heat it.
Okay.
It is heated about say 45 minutes at 70 degrees.
Okay.
So for it to get cured, and then it's ready for assembly.
Okay. All right. So guys, there is another thing that we learned today, and what is happening here?
This is all the production line. Okay. This is Apex. What is your XBHP 299? Speed of Thought. This is all the production. Like it is being assembled all. Okay. Like from start to the end. Like these people are fastening that chin straps. Okay. Then they will insert the EPS and all. After that, they will install that visor, the rubber beading, and finally it gets back in the box and ready to dispatch.
So this here is our helmet. Look at our helmet being given birth. I can't believe that this helmet which I designed is actually getting made here like this. This is truly incredible. I am at a loss of words right now. I really feel very privileged to be working with Axor, which is such a high quality. They have a lot of helmets, lot of clients, and they're also making helmets for XBHP. That is pretty amazing. So after looking at how detailed, how intricate this whole process is, I mean, it takes a lot of time, not only machines but human man hours also. So you should respect the helmet, how it is made. And going here, different designs, and look at this assembly line. This is, I don't know half of the stuff which is going on here, but all I know is that this is the final step in which they have placed the visor, and they have also placed the sticker on the visor. So after this, here is the bag which it goes into. I even really dig the bag, the design of the bag. It's like awesome. And there is one more thing I want to show you. This is the box where the XBHP helmet goes. So right from the design on a computer to the real helmet, to getting into the box, to packing it, sending it off to offline stores, takes a huge effort. So all respect to them. XBHP has always been about advocating safe riding. So it was but inevitable that we would design our own helmet. And that we did last year along with Exor helmets on the occasion of 16 years of XBHP. And this year we are out with the second XBHP Exor helmet. And we call it the speed of thought. We all love to speed on our motorcycles. However, there is nothing faster and more powerful than our own mind. And therefore, we must obey the rules of the road. And that is the foundation of the design of our second helmet. The 299 shows the magic number or the hand of God, which has been decided by the manufacturers to be the limiting speed of modern superbikes. And below that, it reminds you that nothing is faster than your imagination. So why to put your brain and body at risk by overspeeding on roads? The top of the helmet has a biker wearing the first edition of the XBHP helmet. The back retains our iconic philosophy of I the biker. The rest of the elements show the most important part of the motorcycle, the heart, its engine, and the exhaust pipes blurting out flames, which are the equivalent of the incredible creativity the human mind is capable of outputting. The better part of the helmet shell is covered with human brain, which it protects, and the lightning bolts behind accentuate the neurons inside our brain. The spark plugs signify the synapses of our brain. We have designed this helmet along with the Motographer and Toxic Skins, and we are proud to make this with the high quality assembly of Exor helmets. Ride safe. You can buy this helmet on xbhp.com or exorhelmets.com or even offline all over India. So here we are. This smells of glue, and this is where stickering happens.
Yeah, the decals are kind of put on this area.
Okay.
Each person, dips it in the water, puts each part meticulously on the helmet. So there's a lot of effort that goes on to making a complete decal helmet as such.
Sarva, have you been to a helmet factory before?
No, never.
What are your thoughts?
Great. I'm my eyes are wide open. I'm looking every single thing. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. हर एक चीज़ नई देखने को मिल रही है. सब कुछ, सब लोग, हर एक बंदा अपने अपने काम में बिजी है और वो देख के.
There is lot of effort ना?
Lot of effort going on. Every single one, मतलब हाथ चल रहे हैं सबके और कोई आजू बाजू भी देख नहीं रहा है. हम लोग सारे लोग शूट कर रहे हैं, 4-5 लोग साथ में. फिर भी कोई ऐसे उठ के भी नहीं देख रहा है कि कौन आया है, कौन शूट कर रहा है. Everyone is so busy in their work and efforts to keep our Indian riders, Indian bikers safe and effort देख के और spirit बढ़ रहा है. एंड अच्छा लगता है इंडिया में ऐसा सब कुछ देख कर, और मेड इन इंडिया होने की वजह से सबसे बड़ा मतलब सबसे अच्छी चीज़ यही है कि मेड इन इंडिया, मेड फॉर बाइकर्स इन इंडिया, एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट.
Absolutely, guys. We should respect this fact that they are doing a lot of stuff for bikers here in India.
और एक बहुत स्पेशल चीज़ ये है कि मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ आर वुमेन. सो वो भी वो भी इंडिया में हो रहा है, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग एंड बहुत खुश हूँ मैं ये देखकर. सो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इट्स ग्रेट.
ये बच्चा हमारा है 20 साल का, लेकिन दिमाग बहुत है इसमें. वेरी गुड. कम आयुष कैसा लग रहा है अभी तक?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मतलब अपने इंडिया में ऐसा फैक्ट्री एक्चुअली विज़िट करना बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है. और ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है कि अपने इंडियन हेलमेट्स ही हम पहनेंगे, अपने इंडियन राइडर्स, कितना अंदर से प्राउड फील होगा, है ना. प्राउड मूवमेंट है हमारे लिए ये.
थोड़ा वेट करो यार, AGV के लेवल पे भी पहुंचेंगे. मतलब थोड़ा टाइम दो इंडिया को.
ऑलरेडी बहुत क्लोज है ना.
ऑलरेडी काफ़ी क्लोज है. हाँ, मतलब यू नो अगर आप कॉस्ट में देखा जाए तो AGV के भी इस रेंज में आते हैं.
डिज़ाइंस तो काफ़ी हद तक है ना.
डिज़ाइन की बात करो तो 299 हेलमेट देखो ना. सो ये जो है, दिस इज़ एक्चुअली, आप ये देखो, ये मैंने फोटोशॉप में बनाया था. फोटोशॉप से ये यहाँ पे मतलब बन रहा है एक रियल हेलमेट हमारा. और दिस इज़ अ प्रोसेस. सो दे डिप इट इन वाटर. अगर वहाँ पे आप देखें एग्जैक्ट जो प्रोसेस है, मुझे पूछना पड़ेगा किसी से यहाँ पे कि क्या है यहाँ पे. हाँ. सो दिस इज़ ग्राफिक एप्लीकेशन. और ये पहले डालते हैं इसको पानी में, एंड देन लुक हाउ दे विल अप्लाई इट. दिस इज़ अ मैनुअल प्रोसेस डन बाय अ ह्यूमन. सो दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग विच a machine does. That is one of the main things to remember, guys. Wow, look at that. मतलब ये जो हो रहा है अभी, this is nothing to be taken for granted. हम लोगों को आधे टाइम पता ही नहीं होता कि क्या क्या जो चीज़ मैन्युफैक्चर हम जो पहनते हैं बनती कैसे है. ये देखो, this is amazing. Look at that. The craftsmanship, it's amazing. I mean, so much confidence, इतना confidence है लगाने वक्त. इसके बाद ये लैकर होएगा, इसके बाद ये ऊपर जाके बेक होएगा और पैकिंग होएगी, टैग्स लगेंगे, पता नहीं क्या क्या होएगा. सो माय गॉड यार, ये मैंने फोटोशॉप में डिज़ाइन करा था लैपटॉप पे और ये आज बन रहा है. मतलब अजीब सा लग रहा है. यू नो, इट्स लाइक गिविंग बर्थ टू अ बेबी. सो दैट्स व्हाट. एंड यू नो बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट इट एक्चुअली सेव्स लाइव्स. मतलब दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग विच इज़ लाइक यार ऐसे ही शो के लिए या कुछ. तो इससे बेटर क्या हो सकता है. यू नो, वी हैव बीन advocating wear a helmet since long time, and now we are actually making helmets with Axor. So goosebumps, that is all I can say. ये कितने intricately मतलब अलग अलग काटे हैं pieces. Oh, look at that. और this is not machine. मतलब
नहीं है, सही बात.
this is skilled labor. and जैसे अथर्वा ने भी बोला, women are being empowered here. इससे better क्या चीज़ हो सकती है. And everyone is following social distancing here. Like they are wearing masks at work. And the environment is also pretty clean. मतलब हवा भी है. It is well ventilated. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ गलत environment में यहाँ पे काम हो रहा है या कुछ ऐसे unhygienic conditions में हो रहा है. There is also a proper uniform here. Now we are going to the next section. Abhi we have seen assembly, we have seen stickering and putting the helmets together. Now we are going to the fiberglass section. Look at this. Look at this. So this is a fiberglass section where I think, I'm assuming, the shells get made. This one is my favorite. This is the Retro Dominator or something that I was wearing, the white one with the Whitpillen 250.
All the actual process. This is the actual completely process where the molding is been done over here.
AC 620 मोडिंग है. ये पूरा ड्राई मैट यूज़ करते हैं हम. उसको जो आज पर टेम्पलेट के हिसाब से हम कटिंग करके लेते हैं पूरा मैट। इसके बाद उसके लबर के ऊपर हम अप्लाई करते हैं वहाँ पे। ऐसा अप्लाई
ये कट होता है बाद में?
हाँ, पूरा कट कैसा होता है वो पूरा ऐसा लगाते हैं। आपको पूरा प्रोसेस मालूम हुआ देखे बाद में मालूम हो जाएगा आपको थोड़ा कैसा सिस्टम। अब ये स्टार्ट है।
Okay, so this is how it shapes. I mean, look at this. You can see this part is looking like a helmet, but this one is going to be cut. This is pretty amazing. Look at this. Or so after that, this is what happens. This is how you get the helmet. This is the design of the helmet, and is pretty amazing. Technology and science are pretty amazing. This is actually ECE standards. Look at this. It takes 5 minutes for one shell to come out of this. ये है क्या वैसे? ये है क्या?
ये फाइबरलेस FRP है इसको एपॉक्सी रेजिन, हार्डनर और ड्राई मैट ऐसा पूरा मिला के इसको FRP होता है उसका। उसके बाद वो सेल बाहर पड़ता है एक्चुअली।
Pretty interesting. And this is the helmet that I was talking about. So my favorite, my recent favorite, the Dominator. मतलब क्या helmet बनाया है यार इन्होंने. It's like it's the Axor Retro series, specifically the Dominator. And इनके इस सीरीज़ में काफ़ी सारे अलग अलग हैं, जैसे ये है बैंडिट है जो ये ब्लैक वाला है. आई थिंक दे ऑल्सो हैव लेदर वंस, बट यहाँ पे ज़रा देखते हैं. दिस वन इज़ फॉर रॉयल एनफील्ड. दिस वन इज़ फॉर रॉयल एनफील्ड. It's pretty interesting. ECE standard again, you can see here. And there are lot of colors, obviously, lot of designs. थोड़े और देखते हैं हम designs. Wow, look at this.
This is for the bandits.
Look at this. This is for kids.
No, this is for menswear.
Oh,
Especially going for Java.
look at this. Leopard something design है अंदर. And मतलब almost Captain America. Captain America and Tiger or whatever. But very nice. And look at this.
Carbon fiber is under process of manufacturing.
Achha. So this is carbon fiber which is in process of manufacturing. It already looks pretty good. You see. So there you go, guys. Very short tour of the factory, but I hope you enjoyed it. A lot of effort goes into making one helmet, so I think that should be appreciated. And I would like to say buy Indian, support Indian, and only then we will be able to reach certain level of quality already है, but I think जितना ज़्यादा खरीदोगे अपना locally उतना ज़्यादा अपनी industry को support मिलेगा. That is all I can say. So thank you so much Axor for providing this opportunity to us and for protecting us, our heads. Take care, ride safe, always wear a helmet.